At the end of 2018, I said I was going to launch a Patreon in January, and I finally got everything together. And today I'm happy to announce that for $2 a month you can become a patron and get perks like behind the scenes videos, sneak peeks at upcoming KevCentral videos, and even patron-only live streams. Plus you get a KevCentral sticker mailed to you, all for only $2 a month. And if you can't afford that, or signing up for other things is just not your thing, then don't worry, you're still going to get the same regular KevCentral content and weekly videos that you're used to. But I do hope that there are many of you out there that want to support this channel by becoming a patron. And today I'm going to show one of those bonus content videos like patrons would see weekly for $2 a month. Because I've been searching for a few items and I can't seem to locate them, but I'm pretty sure they're in one of my storage bins. My basement is a warehouse of storage bins, rows and rows of them. Bikes and bins is kind of a running theme. And I've narrowed my search down to this last bin, one that's so full that I can't keep a lid on. So dig through it with me and we'll see if I can find what I'm looking for, and also see a few items that I've accumulated over the past few months, because this is my most recent storage bin. And the first item is non-bike related. This is a drone that I was sent to review, and the company that sent it, well, I asked them a technical question and I never heard from them again. I guess I'll review it anyway, so keep an eye on my channel Kev Reviews for that video. The Mirax Finesse saddlebags. By the way, I no longer have the Mirax Finesse, and you'll find out why in an upcoming video, but oh, the memories. And in this bag are some gloves that I found on Amazon. These are Zuki branded, but don't let the brand run you off, because these are really good gloves, and I've been wearing a pair of red Zukis in quite a few videos. And I hope to get them in all colors. I'll put a link down in the description so you can check them out on your own. These are some Shimano rotors that I purchased for the Carbon X. I'm making a few small changes to Project X, and you'll see that in the spring. I think these are the arm sleeves these are the arm sleeves. I purchased these for those days that it's too cold to go with bare arms, but not cold enough to be wearing a jacket. Those go with the neck gaiters that I got for the same reason. And if you don't know what a neck gaiter is, it's kind of a bandana thing that can also be worn around the neck. It's pretty flexible. And by the way, if you have a neck gaiter on your Christmas or birthday list, make sure that a creative sister is not the one that picks it out for you, because you may end up with a cat puking a rainbow neck gaiter. And don't think that I won't wear this on the trail. There are a couple of recent presents in here, like my Amazon Basics GoPro case, because I gotta protect all my cameras. Well, these aren't a present, but they are some grips that I caught on an Amazon flash sale for around $3. I mean, these are lock-ons. How did they even make this stuff and ship it for less than $3? This, however, was a present, Amazon Basics GoPro head strap. Normally, I wouldn't consider these to be bike related, but I bought them for a trail maintenance day when there were some major rains going on. They canceled the maintenance day. I had these bars for a while, and I'm not sure how they ended up in this bin, but these are some bars. I think I purchased them on Wish, and they weren't what they were supposed to be, so I've never used them. There are a couple of gimbals here, like this one axis I think I bought on Wish, and this Yi that I bought at another Amazon flash sale. This is the package for that Vantop action cam I reviewed on Kev Reviews. It holds all those additional mounts pretty well, so I held on to the package. By the way, that Vantop action cam, I've used it even recently in a few KevCentral videos and nobody noticed. Pedals, again an Amazon sale, and you'll be seeing these pretty soon. I didn't even know I had any more of these Duro Sport bottle cages. Gave away a few. A GoPro mount. There should be plenty of GoPro mounts at the bottom of this bin. Some good stuff here. A SRAM NX 11-speed shifter. I got this for another reason, but it will very soon be going on Project Hydro. I'd forgotten about this as well. This is a Samsung 360 cam. Remember about a year and a half ago, Amazon was really pushing 360 content, and then about a week later, all 5 people that were going to make 360 videos had made them. Now we've never really heard any more about it. Well, that's what this was for. More pedals. These are Race Face Chester knockoffs from Fuker, and these are pretty decent pedals, and I'll be using these in some modifications to one of my priority bikes. Amazon link below. This is a phone gimbal that I found on Amazon for only $85. And I bought it because my good gimbal, my $200 one, it broke, or I thought it broke. I ended up fixing it, so I was thinking about returning this, but then I noticed that it had face tracking. So I think I'm going to give it a try and see if this is a hidden gem or junk, and I'll know soon. Tucked away in this bag are some Tektro 160mm rotors, new ones. I don't remember ordering these or what I would have ordered them for, but I can always use new rotors. GoPro chest rig, an old model. I always keep a spare in case I cam up someone that I'm riding with, because I don't want someone else's sweat on my gear. That's just nasty. One of the things I was looking for, my GoPro Hero Session. I have 2 of these. I hope the other is in this bin. I'm upgrading, so I'm selling my non-4K cameras. Kryptonite bike lock. I've never used this. I think I bought it back when I had my Trek Dual Sport. I'll keep it because you never know when you're going to need a good lock. These are pedal straps, 2 sets of them. I'll set these aside because I can use them for that state fixie bike to try out skidding, or at least once my shoulder's 100%. Around the time that I injured my shoulder, I invested in some pads, and you can see how much use these have had, but that's going to change. These are elbow pads. Also in the container are some knee pads. These match the elbow pads, and I hope that both of these together will help me get my confidence back. I have GoPro chest rigs, both the old and the new style, and this is an aftermarket chest rig that I found on Amazon. It's a Stuntman brand. This has a large chest plate that's plastic, and I hope it will help reduce the sag that a gimbal puts on the GoPro chest rigs, because on the GoPro chesties, they tend to sag and bounce a lot on bumps. A while back, I bought a Kurt rack, or so I thought. I received a big metal chunk called a Pinkle, but before I got my refund, I had ordered these. These are locks for a Kurt. Then I switched to Ceres, so I don't need these. If you have a Kurt rack and you need them, let me know and I'll send them to you. This is a derailleur hanger for a Raleigh Kodiak 2. I buy lots of items on flash sales. This one from Walmart. This is an under saddle bag, and I got this to use on some gravel adventures that I hope to have this summer on the event in Quixote. Another one of the items I was looking for, this is a SRAM chain gap gauge. No idea why I would need a GPS or a phone holder, but at some point apparently I bought one. Wait, this is a camera mount. I got this for use with that 360-degree Samsung camera that you saw earlier. This was expensive. This is a Gates belt tension adjuster, and I bought it before I discovered they had a free phone app that does the same thing. More pedals. These are Rock Bros. Yeah, I got these off Amazon, and you'll be seeing these very soon. Okay, I'm getting down to the bottom now, and just some random stuff, like these handlebar shims, and also mystery boxes, like this small box that apparently has a small tripod in it that I didn't know I have, but I can definitely use. This will be perfect for getting ground level shots. There's also some cable end caps. I'd lost these. These are colored ones, and I'm happy to see them again. I can put these to use. And these are junk stem cap lights. They don't work. I'll ditch those. But this pack, it's got all the pivot bushings and suspension parts I bought as extras for the XR Pro. Definitely need these. Getting down to the scrub now. There are dozens of GoPro mounts, GoPro screws, GoPro clips, things like that. And it looks like there's also a very short selfie stick. I didn't know they came this short. Now I was hoping that yep, here it is, a stem that I need for an upcoming video. This is an Uno. There's also the old factory zoom stem from the XR Pro, big waste of metal. Crank Brothers case for the tool I lost. And I have no idea what this is. It's a selfie light. Now, I don't remember buying this, or why I would even buy it. Maybe a gift, or maybe I have multiple personalities. Spare batteries and a charger. These came with another camera, but I think they may work with that van top. J-Buds wireless earbuds. These go back over a year. I bought 2 sets of these. I think I gave one away, and I bought them to use as a wireless mic for the iPhone, and that was a no-go. Just a few more mounts and a random assortment of reflectors that for some reason I held on to, and that's about it. And, oh, there it is. The GoPro Hero Session. No box, but at least I found it, so now I can sell it. That's all for the bin. There's some good stuff in there, and since this is supposed to be a video, like a patron would see, can't get out of it without a sneak peek or some upcoming info of some kind. So here you go. I finally got the refund for that NX drivetrain that I never received. And I tweaked my plan slightly as a result, so I'll have all the components for Stage 2 of Project Hydro later this week. And even though my movement is still limited, hopefully my shoulder will be healed up enough that I can ride it to get a good video. Another peek is that I'm trying out something on the XR Pro. Now if this works, everyone will see it. If it doesn't, I may still give the patrons a look at what I was attempting. And then there's this. If you know what you're looking at, you know that it's a bit unique, especially in my area. But it's coming soon. I hope you enjoyed KevCentral enough that this video was entertaining for you. And if so, you can get even more like this as a patron and help out the channel at the same time. Click on the link in the description to get that going. If you don't care for behind the scenes or bonus footage or group-centric live chats, then don't worry. Your regular KevCentral content will always be right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a great day.